Alright guys, so I'm going to do another quick little video, more for just E91 owners. I don't know if you guys will have this issue, but wipers just slowly deteriorate over time. This could be the OEM wiper, and this car's an '09, so I have no idea. But anyways, only two things you're going to need are a new wiper and a flathead. I went ahead and got an OEM BMW wiper, as I literally just love OEM parts. For some reason, just the quality and the fitment is always like spot on compared to other stuff. So, alright, there's your wiper there. Super simple. All you need to do, and I'm attempting to do this with one hand, lift that up, take a flathead and put it right in here. Just kind of do that. Pops out, you can toss it on the floor where it belongs. Take your new one. So the best way to realize or to know how it goes on is this little piece right here is on the outside. So I'm gonna lift this up. Take this. And I hope you guys saw that. That is it. Super simple, super easy. And now your wiper's fixed. So, I will be posting more stuff on this car. I ordered lowering springs, even though this is on sport springs. Those should be coming in. I got some H&R race springs, I believe, so it should go like another like 3/4 of an inch lower than what this is. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it.